Welcome to Read and Learn. We are now on day 12. Children, let's read the letter sounds. A, E, I, O, O. These are the 5 vowels. Let's repeat, children. A, E, I, O, O. Let's read more. B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. Let's repeat, children. Read after me. B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W. Let's repeat, children. Read after me. M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W. Now let's read the word. Bag, 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 bag. Cap, 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 cap. M, at, m, at, mat, mat. P, an, p, an, pan, pan. L, ad, l, ad, lad, lad. T, n, t, n, ten, ten. K, egg, k, egg, keg, keg. B, ed, b, ed, bed, bed. N, et, n, et, net, net. F, in, f, in, fin, fin. P, egg, p, egg, pig, pig. B, egg, b, ib, bib, bib. S, ip, s, ip, sip, sip. M, up, m, up, mop, mop. S, on, s, on, sun, sun. H, og, h, og, hug, hug. H, ot, h, ot, hot, hot. K, Ab, k, ab, cub, cub. N, a, t, n, a, t, nut, nut. B, a, g, b, a, g, bug, bug. M, a, d, m, a, d, mud, mud. N, a, n, n, a, n, none, none. S, a, n, s, a, n, sun, sun. Now let's read all the words. Mat, bag, cap, pan, lad. Now let's repeat. Read after me, children. Mat, bag, cap, pan, lad. 10, pen, bed, net, keg. Let's repeat, children. 10, pen, bed, net, keg. Let's read more. Fin, sip, pig, bib. Let's repeat, children. Fin, sip, pig, bib. Mop, hug, sun, hot, cob. Let's read again. Good job. Nut, bug, bun, mud, none, sun. Let's repeat, children. Read after me. Nut, bug, bun, mud, none, sun. Good job, children. Hope you learned a lot. See you in the next video.